will present the part of the introduction. Before we start to run a small trading business, we have to do some research, which is marketplace, target market, cost of the product, demands and supplies of the market, swatch. It have made sure we run our business successful. The problem we face is accounting records is not properly managed, which lead to various of problems. The solution we have to is produce a complete set of accounting records, including all transactions of our business that occur for the last 2 months.
My name is Ho Sing Lee. My matching number is A21A2497. For today, I will present breakdown of business. Before this, on this slide, we have 2 pictures, which is location and our logo. Our business name is Smart Trading. The reason why we choose the name of Smart Trading is because the word smart is a slogan as spells and thinking when customer buying products from our company. Second, the product are selling by our business is pen, color pencil, calculator, highlighter, and correction tape. The third one, the Smart Trading location at 3285 Jalan Selaseh A1, Taman Selaseh 09000, Kulim Kedah. Next, I will present organization charts for our business Smart Trading. As we can see in this slide, we have 5 persons in Smart Trading and organization charts. Besides that, we also have another 9 persons for Smart Trading organization charts, which is clerk, assistant marketing manager, assistant financial manager, operating manager, and 5 workers. First, CEO by Muhammad IZZAT bin Muhammad NAWI. The role of CEO in this business is developing and carrying out the company or organization mission and vision. Next, General Manager by SYAZATUL ELLYANA BINTI Muhammad RADZIB. The role of General Manager in this business is managing employees, controlling the budget, implementing marketing tactics, and many other aspects of the firm are all part of the jobs. Next, Human Resource Manager by YING. The role of Human Resource Manager in this business is in charge of a variety of employee tasks and controlling the company and organization culture. Next, Marketing Manager by Ho Sing Lee. The role of Marketing Manager in this business is developing the market strategy and plans and also create a new plans and strategy for organization. Last is Financial Manager by Gan Hui Ling. The role of Financial Manager in this business is overseeing monitoring and account exercise for organization or company.
Next, I will introduce the product that we are selling. First, the product is Faber-Castell Ballpen Clip X5 and X7. X5 means 0.5 mm, while X7 means 0.7 mm. The price that we are selling for one piece ballpen is 90 cents, while per box is 45 ringgit per box, include 60 pieces. Next, the second product is Faber-Castell Artist Painting Oil Color Pencil. We have 5 set condition, which is 12 pieces, 24 pieces, 36 pieces, 48 pieces, and 72 pieces. The price are listed as below. The third product that we are selling is Casual Scientific Calculator FX570MS. The price we are selling is 36 ringgit. The fourth product we are selling is Stabilo Swing Cool Highlighter Pen. The price we sell for one piece is 1 ringgit 50 cents. While if you buy a pack, which is include 3 pieces, it was 4 ringgit and 5 cents. The last product that we are selling is Dolphin Correction Tape. It has 3 conditions, which is 12 meters, 24 meters, and 30 meters. The price are listed as below. The rate of product for all 5 these products is 50% from cost. If you buy the package product, will more cheaper than per pieces.
Hi, my name is Gan Hui Ling, A21A2483. I'm presenting the part journal and ledger for this assignment. The journal that show in front that has record the transaction happened in these 2 months. Example, on 1st April, the company has paid telephone bill total of 150 ringgit by cash. The journal will be recorded as below table, which debit side will be telephone bill and credit side will be recorded in cash. There is total of 72 transactions happened in April and May in Smart Trading. Sales journal is a journal that only records sales that happen in credit. The document that referred is invoice duplicate. Sales journal in April had record total of 1,285 ringgit and in May is 1,421 ringgit. This amount will be recorded in sales account in ledger later. Purchase journal is record the purchase that happened in credit. The document that referred is invoice origin. Purchase journal in April had record 530 ringgit and in May is 245 ringgit. It will be recorded in purchase account in ledger later. The ledger that show in front had record the general journal, purchase journal, and sale journal that happened in 2 months. Continue the example shown in general journal. After record the transaction in general journal, we will need to continue with ledger. In cash account will be record in credit and namely telephone bill. In telephone bill account will be record in debit and namely cash. This has shown the accounting had record 2 sides. After all journal have finished record in ledger, the balance BD in June will be recorded in trial balance later.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is ELLYANA binti Muhammad RADZIB and my metric number is A21A3129. First of all, trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledger are combined into debit and credit column totals that are equal. The debits and credit include all business transactions for a company over a certain period, including the sum of such account as asset, expense, liabilities, and incomes. A company usually prepares trial balance at the end of every reporting period. It helps facilitate the preparation of financial statement. For example, the total debit and credit account column and trial balance of our company are equal, which is 196,991 ringgit. A statement of profit and loss is a record of incomes and expense pertaining to the purchase and sale goods incurred by a business in a given period of time. For example, our company got gross profit which is 5,840 ringgit because of our net sale are more than the cost of goods sold. And we still got net profit 5,680 ringgit even total operating expense is more than other income. The statement of financial position is another term for the balance sheet. The purpose of a statement of financial position is to show in terms of its assets, liability, and capital at a certain date. The statement of financial position is formatted in the same way as the basic accounting equation, which means asset equal to combined sum of equity and liabilities. This means that all assets line items are presented first with a total that matches the total for equity and liabilities which are presented next. For example, our company got a total assets 155,220 equal to the combined amount of equity and liabilities, which also got the same amount 155,220 ringgit. The performance of our business according to income statement and balance sheet is very good and give profit to our business. This is because our business gets sales more than sales of goods sold. With this profit, we can pay overdue invoice. Therefore, our business can further reduce liability in order to avoid the risk of bankruptcy and loss.
For the suggestion, having a systematic recordings of business account and final transaction is very important. Once our business applies systematic recordings, we can analyze the company profit and loss clearly. So I will give 3 suggestions on how to have a systematic recordings of business transactions and final accounts. Firstly is maintain accurate records of company transactions. Smart trading have to maintain accurate records for all commercial transactions. For examples like receipts, payments, salaries, expenditures, list of debtors, creditors, and so on. Secondly is utilize electronic recording system. As we all know, technology can help to deal with everyday dynamic things. So with technology, everything will be easier to perform a task and solve many problems. So smart trading can embrace the technological tools provided nowadays and prioritize it more than the traditional ways. And last suggestion is hire an accounting professional. So the accounting professional job scope is much more related with run the accounting software and deliver weekly updates. So when we hiring this position, it can help the company much more better because they have the ability and skills in handling the specific tasks in accounting. In conclusion, incorporating the accounting idea into a corporation is critical since it gives quantitative data for a comprehensive assessment of the company's success. Based on this assignment, first we can learn how to calculate profit and loss. It can be said that profit and loss is highly important in business since it can be tracked to determine how much profit or loss smart trading can generate. Other than that, we are aware of how to construct the company's trial balance. As is well understood, A trial balance is a list of the ledger accounts closing balance on a specific date and is the first step in the creation of financial statements. Lastly, we can learn about assets and liabilities. Assets will be reported on the balance sheet, generally at a reduced cost. So after that, we can determine which assets are long-term and which are short-term. Then there's a liability, which is an obligation that appears on a company's balance sheet. That's all from us. Thank you.